Hello children, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to continue with the other aspects of the Karnataka. Let us continue with the part 9, Karnataka State Board Class 6th Social Science lesson number 2. In this video, we will learn about these aspects of Mysuru division: education and healthcare, cultural heritage, freedom fighters. Mysuru is an education center because large number of educational institutions are established in Mysore. It has better literacy rate. Education sector received good encouragement from the rulers of Mysore. Even in the ancient time, kings and the rulers of Mysore gave great encouragement for the development of education. The University of Mysore was established long back, that is in the year 1915, and now is century-old university. Lakhs and lakhs of students got their higher education in this university and have contributed to the rich educational heritage of Karnataka. Many districts of this division have engineering and medical colleges. And at the slide, you can look at the university which is in Mysuru. It is called as Manasa Gangotri. Mangaluru University is in Dakshina Kannada district. There are many private universities in this division. Apart from the government institutions, large number of private people have also opened up universities in Mysuru division. The Central Food Technological Research Institute is in Mysore city. It is called as CFTRI. This research institute continuously will be undertaking researches regarding the processing of the food. The Suttur Mutt has contributed a lot in the field of education. It has started many schools and colleges. Now let us move on to the other aspect, that is the healthcare in this division. All the districts of this division have district hospitals. At each and every district centers, there are hospitals. There are rural sub-health centers in rural areas, that is in the villages, to provide medical care to the rural people. Children are regularly vaccinated. You may be knowing this fact. Children have to be given vaccination against so many contagious diseases, polio, TB, etc. To provide healthcare facilities to pregnant women, health assistants and ASHA workers are available. ASHA Karyakarteyaranta, even today they are working hard to serve the COVID people. So number of health assistants will be there at each and every healthcare centers to help the people. This division has lowest child mortality rates. In olden days, large number of children were dying because lack of medical facilities, but now it has the lowest child mortality rates. The life expectancy of people is better. The people are living for long age because they are provided with better medical facilities and medicines are provided. Healthcare is taken by the government in a better manner. Maternity mortality rates are also lower because in olden days, once again with the lack of medical facilities, large number of women were dying at the time of delivery, but now it is lower. These are the indicators of better health status of people. Let us now move on to the textbook exercises. Answer the following questions. Which university in Mysuru division has celebrated 100 years? The university in Mysuru division that has celebrated 100 years is the University of Mysuru. What is the name of the centers which provide healthcare in rural areas? The centers that provide healthcare in rural areas are rural sub-health centers. Name any two good health indicators: low child mortality rates and low maternity mortality rates. Now let us move on to the important aspect of this division, that is cultural heritage. Mysuru division is rich in cultural heritage. The nature is at her best in this division. Nature is also contributing and large number of people from different areas of culture have contributed to the growth of rich culture in this division. This division is home to dense forest, that means thick forests, rivers, diverse wild animals, that means variety of wild animals are found, amazing waterfalls, marvelous art and architecture, and good literature. Marvelous art means adbhutavada kale, painting, dancing, music, in all the aspects, people have taken the lead. Different districts and what they are famous for. Mandya is always famous for the growth of sugar cane and it is famous for sugar industries. Hassan and Chikmagalur are famous for coffee plantations. Coastal district is known for Yakshagana that we have already learnt in our previous class. Chamarajnagara, Kamsale. The temples of Somnathpura and Belur are known for Madanika idols. See, Somnathpura and Belur are the very good examples of Hoysala architecture where Madanika idols are found. See, you can look at the slide. This is the Beluru temple. See, these are the two Madanika idols, very excellently carved by the sculptor. Gomateshwara, a monolith idol of Shravanabelagola, belongs to this division. Monolith means Ekashila Vigraha ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಶಿಲೆಯಿಂದ ಕೆತ್ತಿರೋದು. Many temples of this division are known for their architecture and stone carvings. The districts of Mysuru division have huge potential for tourism. A large number of places are attracted by the tourists, not only from the India but abroad also. The foreigners also visit many of the places in this division. River Kaveri is the lifeline of Karnataka. Adanna Jeevanadi anta heltare because it's the main source of the agriculture in this division. It originates means takes birth in Talakaveri of Kodagu district. The division has coastal line running into hundreds of kilometers. That means this division has coastal line containing of hundreds of kilometers because fishery, ports, sea-based adventure sports, educational institutions are seen here. Fishing, ports are there where the export and import activities are taken place and sports are conducted and most of the educational institutions are also found here. A large number of educational institutions are found in this division. In nutshell, totally we can say that Mysuru division is a culturally rich division. Now let us study about the freedom fighters of this division. The districts of this division were at the hem of the freedom struggle. On the front line, Chukkani and Mundiradu. Many of the people have taken leadership at the freedom struggle for India. Khadi production centers in the form of cottage industries were widely available in this division. Since long, Khadi production was famous in India, so cottage industries were widely available in this division. Kudmal Rangarao of Mangaluru dedicated his life for the upliftment of the untouchables. Asprusharu, SC/ST ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. So he fought for their rights and also he sacrificed his life for the upliftment of the untouchables. Tagaduru Ramachandra Rao, a staunch follower means katta follower ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕಟ್ಟ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿಯನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟ ಅನುಯಾಯಿ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋಯರ್ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ. He also worked for the upliftment of untouchables. Some of the others from this division who participated in the freedom struggle are H.C. Dasappa, Yashodhara Dasappa, Karnad Sadashivara, H.K. Veerannagowda, K.T. Bhashyam, Kamaladevi Chattopadhyay, K.V. Shankaregowda, K. Ramakrishna Karanta, C.M. Poonacha. Many were involved in the Karnataka integration movement also. So, you know very well children, in olden days, this division was divided into so many small kingdoms and regions. So, many leaders were involved in the integration of Karnataka also. A great movement took place to unite the Karnataka. Like this, the districts of Mysuru have achieved national and international fame. The Mysuru Dasara festival is popular internationally too. So Dasara festival, people from many countries will come and witness the famous Dasara festival. Let us now move on to the textbook exercise, page number 47. Answer the following questions. Name any two English novelists from Mysuru division. R.K. Narayan and Raja Rao of Hassan. Name any two freedom fighters who fought against untouchability. Kudumal Rangarao and Tagaduru Ramachandra Rao. What is Shravanabedagoda famous for? Shravanabedagoda is famous for the monolith statue of Gomateshwara. Name any four freedom fighters. H.C. Dasappa, Yashodhara Dasappa, Karnad Sadashivarao and H.K. Veeranna Gowda. Fill in the blanks. River Kaveri originates from Talakaveri in Kodagu district. Kudumal Rangarao dedicated his life for the upliftment of untouchables. Internationally acclaimed Dasara festival is celebrated in Mysuru. Udupi and Dakshina Kannada districts of Mysuru division have ports.